Hey YouTube world, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage. And as you can see behind me, we have a beautiful redesigned 2022 Yamaha MT-10. And in front of me, we have a full suite of Womet-Tech crash protection products. Now we will be doing individual installation videos, so be sure to stick around. But I did just want to give you a quick overview of the products we currently offer from Womet-Tech for this particular model. That way you can check out our website if you're interested. So to begin with, front of the motorcycle, we do have the Womet-Tech fork sliders. These are a pass-through axle system with 2 delrin end caps. Moving a bit back, we do have the Womet-Tech K-Savers. These are the exact same K-Savers that the Westby Racing team used in the Moto America Race Series when we sponsored them. We also use them on our own personal race bike. This system is a 2 K-Saver system, 1 for each side of the bike, so be sure to check that out. Moving a bit back, we do have the Womet-Tech frame sliders. These are a single point frame slider system. Currently, as of July 2022, Womet-Tech does not offer an EVOS frame slider system for this bike. If the demand calls for it or if they decide to do that, that will change in the future. But for now, we will be doing the installation on the 1-point slider system. Going up from the frame sliders, we do have the Womet-Tech bar ends. By default, these come in black. We do offer a few different colored accent rings, so be sure to check out the installation video for the bar ends specifically, as well as our tech tip on how to replace the Womet-Tech colored accent bar rings if you're interested in that. And lastly, moving to the rear of the bike, for the swing arm, we do have 3 solutions. So the choice is entirely up to you, but starting with the smallest, we do have the Womet-Tech anodized spools. These are an anodized aluminum spool system meant to be a lift point with a little bit of crash protection. Going a little bit bigger, we do have the Womet-Tech spool sliders. Those are also a lift point, but they are a bigger material. They're made out of delrin, which is the same material that your frame sliders are made out of. And they are, like I said, a lift point with more crash protection than the smaller anodized spools. And lastly, we do have the Womet-Tech axle block protectors. These are the most expensive for the swing arm protection kit. They do have a spool boss installed on them, so you can thread on a spool that's included in here. They are meant to be a protection for the axle block, and you can also adjust your chain just like you would on the normal swing arm for this bike. In this video, we will be installing the Womet-Tech bar ends. This is a pretty simple installation, so let's go ahead and jump right in. To begin this installation, we do need to go ahead and remove the OEM bar ends. So let's go ahead. That will be an 8mm Allen key, hex key. And don't be surprised if the OEM bars are a little hard to remove. I am finding that manufacturers tend to apply a little bit of thread locking compound in them. Now, the OEM bar ends are a little weighted, but it is important to note, and we'll show it on the right-hand side in some of the B-roll, but there is a small gap when these are installed from the end of the bar to the beginning of the bar end. That is pretty noticeable if you look at it, but because they're black, you may miss it. When you install the Womet-Tech bar ends, as we will do right now, you will notice that the gap seems to be more visible. And that is because the bar end base is just natural aluminum, so it sticks out a little bit more. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and install the bar ends by hand, making sure we're not cross-threading. Once we get to the point where they're kind of tightened down, we're actually gonna hold the base and remove the end cap. That is a 5mm hex key, Allen key. And we're going to take a 22mm socket and tighten down the bar ends. And this is the gap I'm talking about. You can see it in between there. And like I said, we'll show this in the B-roll. Now that that is complete, we can put the end cap back on and repeat this installation on the opposite side. And that is all there is to it. If you did purchase these bar ends without any of the colored accent rings that are available on our website, they will look exactly like this. But if you did opt to choose a silver, red, blue, gold ring, you can swap that out. We do have a separate video on how to swap that out and how to make sure they are positioned correctly, avoiding any additional gaps or tightness issues. So be sure to check that out on our YouTube channel as well. It'll be linked in this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you want to check these products out, be sure to stop by our website, tstindustries.com. The link to these bar ends will be in the description of this video. Be sure to stop by the comments, say hello, give us your feedback, any questions. As always, hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. And lastly, stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all username TST Industries. For now, this has been Mark from TST. Catch you guys next time.